So OBS 27 just came out and has a lot of new features and a lot of amazing features that a lot of people have been asking for. But why should you not update to OBS 27 straight away? I'll let you know why. If you don't already know, I'm a Twitch partner that streams every single day except Sundays. If you want to stop into my streams, link down in the description. I would love to see you there. Overall, OBS 27 is an amazing new update. It has a lot of new stuff like the undo redo button, which everyone has been asking for since basically OBS just came out. Everyone's been asking for undo redo button. Now they finally added it. There's an RTX voice built into the program as well, so you can use RTX voice and all the other features that help your mic, not pick up different noises using your RTX card. Basically built in, so you don't have to use third-party programs that use way more CPU than the usual OBS plugins do. But why would you not use the latest update then? The best and the main thing is basically the bugs. There's still a lot of bugs. I've experienced a lot of them as well. I've been using it for the last 2 days. My streams have been randomly crashing. My OBS has been randomly crashing. There's a lot of different bugs. The OBS beta was active for like the last few months. They did fix a lot of bugs with it, but there's still a lot more left that haven't been fixed. They're causing a lot of issues for a lot of other people. I saw on Twitter, Reddit and stuff. So I would advise you to like wait 1-2 weeks at least for them to fix all these, at least these big bugs. And then you can safely update and use, OBS no problem. Like even people from Stream Elements, I mainly use Stream Elements not just because I'm partnered with them, but because I love their products. I love their OBS version, their OBS Live plugin, whatever. They advise people not to update to 27 yet because there's a lot of, stuff that doesn't work with OBS Live. So wait like a week or two until they fix everything, until they make the better OBS Live plugin or the update as well. And then you're gonna have no issues. At least you shouldn't have any issues regarding your streams crashing, your OBS crashing, audio issues, scenes issues and stuff like that. But when it does come out, it's gonna be freaking great. Like all these amazing features. That my favorite one is the undo redo feature and the source transitions. Like you can actually use transitions for every single source inside a scene, which is just massive for people that have a lot of different sources and a lot of different scenes, want to switch out, do some cool transitions. Very, very cool stuff. So if you can wait a week or two, maybe even a month, do that. And trust me, you're not going to regret it. After that, you should be using the program no problem and have absolutely no issues. That is not only for OBS 27, that is for every single update. Usually you should wait around a week or two because, first people always encounter a lot of bugs. Let me know if that video helped you a lot. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have anything else to add, make sure to do that down in the comments below. And as I said, I'm live on Twitch right now. If you want to chat or just have a discussion, make sure to do that down in the description below. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.